farmer was injured severely and was bleeding and was unconscious. And in the meantime, his friend also arrived by running, and he was saying that the tiger was he was shot at tiger, and by the use of tractor, they have pulled the jeep. By the time of injured persons also stay in the hospitals, and Ramu and his friend went to the headquarters and informed the police all about the scenarios, what and all happens in the current farmer house, and what and all they have been stolen. That is 1 lakh rupees, and second one is they have been kidnapped one son, and the third one is tiger. And these three things has been informed to the police, and they have been looked after that. And after that time of 4 p.m. they have been visited to Bihar.
The Chowkidar with us, so because he is the witness, and he will be at 3:30. We will move towards the primary medical care center, and it will by 3:25 we will be reaching the primary medical center. There we'll be admitting the person who is bleeding and who is by 3:40 we'll be reaching the primary center. So at 3:10, the current timing is 3:10. So we will be reaching to the farmhouse by 3:15, and here our jeep gets stuck. So 2 people, we are a group of 4 in the jeep at present, and 2 of us will be going towards the farmhouse to fetch the tractor. And at that particular moment, we notice our friend running, saying that he heard that someone spotted a tiger in the south of the hill, and the Chowkidar Ramu also comes, and he also tells us that the farmer is bleeding and he is unconscious, and also that there has been a theft and a ransom is asked, and the collateral is Ramu's son. Ramu's son is being taken by the dacoits 1 hour prior. Given this situation, we will ask, with the help of our friend who came running, we will take the tractor and we will retrieve the jeep, and we'll